Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so I changed the color to orange here, and because I don't know, orange is kind of a fun color. Now we can add in as many attributes as we want here, and what we're going to do is we're going to add in yet another attribute, and we're going to call this text and dash align. Okay, and we're going to push colon, and we're going to type in center, and look at that. It automatically moves to the center. I should also point out that anytime you have a space within one of these attributes here, you have to put a dash. And that dash is super important, okay? And whenever you're about to declare what that attribute is going to be, for example, the color or the text align, it's going to be a colon. So as you can see, text align is two words. There's a dash in between, colon, center. And that looks actually pretty cool, doesn't it? Now, can we do that with this? We can absolutely do that with this as well. So let's go ahead and add in a semicolon, and we're going to put text align, and we're going to say right. And look at that. It's all the way to the right. That's kind of cool. Now, again, let's just play around with this for a second, because remember, playing around with this is fun. At any time, you can just stop and play around with this as much as you want. And I'm just going to type in 1. And as you can see, this is now aligned to the right. Now, it's just as easy as typing in center. For example, just like that. We can type in center, and look at that. And if we really want to, the default is left. It's kind of cool. So yeah, so that's how you align text. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.